thoughts say, how do I think clearly in a world that has so much noise, so many distractions, and so many obligations that we have in our day-to-day life? You have to align yourself. You need your thoughts, your feelings, your words, and your actions to match. What does that look like? You first must clear your mind. You need your mind to be empty. Before you rush to go and meet the world and deal with all the problems from day to day life, you need to pause and be empty. Allow yourself to enjoy the silence. From there, you need to ask yourself, what is important to you? What is your priorities in your life when you think of family, relationships, work, friends? And then you need to visualize, what does your best life look like if you were there? And once there, you need to ask yourself, what kind of thoughts, what kind of feelings, what kind of speech, what kind of behavior does that person embody? Then you need to believe that that will be your future. Lastly, you need to make the decision that you're going to embody that person right now. All your decisions will be based off that person's, your future self, the person that you are altering into your life. Now, with the understanding that that person only has control over themselves, not anyone else. You have to be okay with what the world around you does. But it is in that freedom that you will lose a lot of the noise. So often people are looking for approval. They're looking for recognition. They're looking for others to validate them. You have to get rid of that, because only you can be responsible for yourself. And once you become responsible for yourself, that allows you to become who you need to be. And from being who you need to be, it allows you to take care and give to all the people around you. So we need more individuals who embody alignment. Next step, you need to start your day with good information. I would first focus on something spiritual, nature, holistic for your heart and soul. Then I would move to something to add a skill outside your current realm of wisdom and knowledge. And then lastly, some information with what you are currently working and preoccupied with, slowly becoming a better version of yourself in that field. That's a great start to the day. Now, once you're off on your day, I would avoid negative conversations, venting, gossip, talking about people. Those conversations will happen, but do your best to limit them. Negative conversations create negative thinking. Negative thinking creates vigilance, survival. Then you start missing out on the opportunities that are around you. See what kind of day you will have with these anchor points. And one of the great advantages is that on the days that you don't feel right, these anchor points will start your day off right once it's done. It will help you with your consistency over time, which grows your capacity and your skills over time. So it will always help you be able to handle more. And the bigger your capacity becomes, the more life will give you in all fields of your life. Ask yourself, where are you wasting time that doesn't feel fulfilling and doesn't resonate with your heart and soul? We all have to do certain things that don't align with who we are, but we do have the ability to limit them as much as we can throughout the day. And then imagine what kind of a life you will have 3 to 5 years from now. You've spent long enough focusing on the version of yourself that you don't want, or staying in the same place but wanting more. Give yourself 3 to 5 years with going to where you want to go. Toss streams.